So this is the old county fair picnic grove, and it's basically like a bunch of barbecue tables, barbecue pits. Companies rent this facility for company corporate parties and stuff, but this is usually locked up. For some reason it's not today, so I'm going to walk you guys through this area of the park. And what makes this area of the park special, maybe different, maybe somewhat unique, is this is the only area in the park that still has the country fair theme going on. So back when the Marriott company owned, that's the hotel chain, when they owned Great America, it was Marriott's Great America, the park was much more heavily themed. So Orleans Place was kind of a ripoff of Disneyland's New Orleans Square, but it had its own little charm. It was heavily themed after the old French quarters, Louisiana. There was Yankee Harbor, which was a water-themed section of the park with water rides and flume rides, and the tidal wave was there as well. That's a single looping forward and backward coaster, and it had a lot of like palm trees and beach kind of scenery going on, as well as, again, a Yankee themed boat harbor area as well. And adjacent to that was Yukon Territory, and Yukon Territory, as the name implies, is kind of a Native American Indian themed area, and had totem poles and cast members in costume and that kind of thing in Yukon Territory. And you can tell Yukon Territory because it has so many redwood trees in it compared to the other themed areas. And Country Fair was where you go to play carnival games and win stuffed animal prizes. Obviously this picnic area, large scale, high volume. I think pretty much a lot of people this can serve a lot of people here. So my dad's company, United Technologies, I think rented this facility once. We had one company family barbecue here, and that was like, dare I say, 30 years ago, 40 years ago. So this place has obviously been here a long time. I don't know if this is original, if this was originally here when the park first opened. But once again, the Peanuts Charles Schulz theme decorates throughout. It wasn't always that way. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. This is like a Smurf thing or something. It might be, yeah, left over from that. I don't know. Maybe there was some other theming going on at the time. Who knows? Actually, this is really nice. This is one of the quietest areas of the park. So I have not worked for a company that booked this facility. It's probably pretty expensive, I would imagine. And nowadays, companies in the Bay Area are so budget conscious. If there's no immediate payback for the expense, they simply don't spend. So I imagine this place must be awesome with a company party booked. Got a nice sand volleyball court with a ball. Plenty of picnic tables, soda fountain facilities. That looks like that's employee parking back there, I believe. So, thanks for joining me today, guys, on the Move OTX channel. Once again, we spent another day here at Great America, my favorite childhood amusement park in San Jose, California. So thanks for hanging out with me here and taking a little tour of the one remaining element from the old country fair original theme. I'll catch you guys later.